Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change display mode between light and dark. Also in dark settings we can schedule the dark mode. Next we can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can change motion smoothness between high and standard. Next we can enable or disable eye comfort shield and also schedule it and adjust it. Then we can change screen mode between vivid and natural and also adjust white balance and RGB. Then we can change font size and style and also enable bold font function. Next we can change screen zoom, enable full screen mode for apps, hide notch in apps, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable easy mode, edge panels, and change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures. Also, you can adjust both these functions. Next, you can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, show charging information, and you can set screensaver in the end. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.